Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to cut a whole chicken. Yeah, man,
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
In my last video that I made, I showed you guys how to debone a whole chicken and you can stuff that for roasting. But today I want to show you how to cut this whole chicken. So not only is it better for you to buy a whole chicken so that the family can enjoy the different cuts, but it also saves you a lot on money, because the chicken breast is one of the most expensive parts of the chicken, right? So I went to the store the other day and about 8 pieces of chicken breast were going for almost 30 Canadian dollars. So around 12 chicken breasts for $27, or 3 whole chicken for $26. I think I'm gonna get this $26 and take away the chicken breast. In the US, that's about $22 thereabout. In the UK, I want to say about $15, because you know the UK is up. In Jamaica, that's around 4,000 Jamaican dollars, give and take, right? So $4,000, $30, anyway take it in your country. It's not worth it to buy that much chicken breast. So we got 3 chicken of this size, and I didn't weigh this, but I'm guessing this is about a 4.5 pound chicken, which is about 2.1 kg. You know where I thought from? So I'm going to be showing you how to get this cut, save yourself some money, and make the entire family enjoy the best parts of the chicken. See? So forward. So the first thing you want to do, when you have a cutting board, this is another tip. Put a rag under your cutting board, right? Just get your rag damp, put it on your cutting board, on your surface, so that your cutting board is not slipping all over the place. No one wants that. Secondly, you need a very sharp knife, right? So I'm going to get some paper towel, just a little bit. I'm going to wet that. Now you don't have to do this if you have a different foil at home. This is my sharpener. And I do this again so that it doesn't slip around, right? For this foil, it requires me to get it wet. So this is my sharpening stone, right? Get my knife, and I'm just gonna run this across. Alright. So the first thing, we're going to just remove this string. So remove the string. Before you go ahead and cut into this chicken, you want to just stretch the joints a bit. Just loosen it up, so it's not hard to deal with, right? Just like before you go to the gym, you go on the treadmill and you do a little run first to just free up your muscles, you know? You see me? Relax the chicken. So relax the chicken so it's easier to cut. In the center of the chest, just gonna go down. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So we're going to take it from one side of the breast onto the bone. So just cut into that cartilage nice and easy like that. And then we're going to work our way from the bone. So to get most of the chicken breast off that bone, right? So we'll just run the knife along the side. Turn that around. We're gonna do the same for this side. Alright. So once you have that now, just gonna cut this into 2. Quick and easy. So right in the center, if you realize there, open that up So we have that open up, and trust me, when it comes down to chicken, there are many ways, different ways to cut it, but this is how I cut it. So once I have that separated into two, just gonna go ahead and remove the backbone. So the backbone right in between here, where it's nice and soft. Press down on your knife. Don't chop down on it because you don't want to splatter the blood all over the place. And we're gonna do the same thing for this side. So like that. So we have that backbone out. Boom. This nice chicken back up. So we have two halves now. What we're gonna do, set this aside for now. We're gonna get this chicken breast. You see, when you look at this now, it's relaxed. So you see exactly where to cut. In here, there's literally nothing. So you hold it like this and you just cut. Boom. You got your thigh and your leg off like that. Now, for the wing. Spin it around, you feel right in here. That's your joint area. So you insert a knife right in the joint. See? Easy. No hassle. And you get the wing off. Now for the leg and the thigh, you can leave it like this if you're doing barbecue. Right here, you see where the lining of that fat is? That is normal, usually where the joint is. So you just get your knife and you find that joint right there. See the fat lining? So no hassle, right in the joint. Pull that skin down. You have a chicken breast. You have a chicken leg, sorry. We're just gonna trim the excess fat from this thigh. Again, garbage bag right here, discard. So there you have now your thigh, your drumstick, your wing. You know, if you're frying, you can go ahead and just fold your wing if you're frying it like that. Boom. You have your wing, your thigh. Now for the breast. So I began the process already, whereas before I cut it in two, I have that. So I'm just going to run the knife along that bone, just to get the maximum amount of that chicken breast. So there. This now, we're not going to throw this away. So we use these, the backbone, the rib cage, we use these for chicken stock, and I have a video out on that where you can check out at your convenience. Now for the chicken breast, there's a bone in here. There's a bone in here. You can just cut that out. Get that bone out. Turn that chicken breast over. If you're gonna do fried chicken breast, you can leave your skin on, right? Or in my case for meal prep, I'm gonna take the skin off, and you can just even peel it off like that, right? Skin off, and there you have a beautiful chicken breast, just like the one you'd go and see in the store, and that's boneless. So now we have 1, 2 chicken breasts. We have the backbone right there. Then we have the thigh. We have another thigh. So we have the drumsticks. And then we have the wings. If you want to know how to get your chicken fried, brown stewed, curry, jerk, roasted, I have videos all on those. So go and check those out, or I'll try to leave a link on most of the chicken videos that I have, from brown stew, curry, fried, jerk. I don't have any barbecue. I'm going to do a barbecue video. And sweet and sour. I have chicken videos like those, but I don't have a barbecue video yet. That's coming soon, so look out.
Yeah, me see you on the dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.